Hi and welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. Today will be a blazer video. Maybe I will show you a bit more about my outfit. I love this outfit, I have to say. I really love the Napoleon blazer. I've got this blazer for so many years, and upcoming trends for autumn and winter. I know we spoke about this in the middle of the summer, but we have to. It still will be trendy, so I am very happy about this, and I will be still wearing this blazer even if trend will start fading away. I will bring the parcel and we will open it. I love the moment of the unboxings. Today my outfit, it is black and white, just because I would like to show you in the biggest contrast this black leather blazer. I'm afraid a bit, last time I spoke about the sizes, and this is size French 34, so should be Euro 36. If you don't remember the rules about the sizes, please come back to these videos. It's gonna be much easier for you. I wish that could be boots again, but you know, I don't have much space now for the boots. Oh. Okay, you can never be overdressed or over-educated, and that's Oscar Wilde. I love it. It is my invoice inside and the return label, I hope. Yes, I've got the return label, so it's gonna be easy to return if it's not gonna be good. Then we have a beautiful yellow box, which means we have something very luxury inside. Oh my god. These buttons. I really wish that this blazer will be good. It is a very luxury brand. Of course, the card. This is card from person who packed this warehouse. It is cute, you know. Just thank you, Mytheresa. Package has been lovely wrapped by, I think, Marianna, or probably. And it's gonna be quite long. You can see there is no lining at all, nothing. We have beautiful silver buttons. These buttons looks really great. We have the buttons on the sleeves. We have the pockets. Oh, pockets like pockets that are just okay. And then we have a tag. It is also size French 38, and it is 100% lambskin leather. In my opinion, should be a silk lining or something. For sure, it is better no lining than polyester lining. This lining in Zara blazer I really love too. It is hard work to make it something like this. Everything looks so impressive, you know, different lining over there, different lining inside the sleeve, different lining on the sides. In my opinion, that looks really so impressive, and I love this blazer. It is really high quality, and new blazer that I bought in Zara, it is never the same quality like this. So if you sometimes try to search in the thrift shops or in the website with the pre-loved things, you can always find something old, but at the same time better quality than brands making today. I don't know why this is happening. We have, you know, tools and everything to make things better and better, and now I can see that the prices going higher, but things are lower quality. I don't know why there is no lining. I think will be quite big, so let's try it. Probably will be more like a coat than blazer. There's no any pads on the shoulders. That could be, you know, but because this, if we've got any pads on the shoulders always looks better. Let me try this. It is a big moment now to try this on. I knew it. It is too big. So for me, size 38, which is Euro 36, it is still too big. But I will give a chance and I will just wear it as I should. The buttons, that are always like problem for me, especially with the gloves, so. But I don't want to break my nails. One, two, three. Oh, this top, it isn't good. Quite big. I think I will exchange for the smaller size because it looks like just should be maybe 2 sizes down. I don't know, I have to check on the website and I have to check on the return papers if I can exchange for the size. Exchange size, I can make it. 36 will be good, which will be Euro 34. So, looks really good. I think with the nice tiny belt around the waist could be better, but because I've got so much room in it, I think that size down will be really, really good. Will be much better and perfect, I think. I wore a belt, the Gucci belt, so I think that's because it is navy and we've got the silver hardware, so I think that matched the best. Not the black one, but just navy one. I like it. I have to say that I like it. Maybe something like a nice blouse with the collar could be better. You can play with this blazer and you can create so many outfits with this. You can wear just nothing on the neck and just a blazer, but I think that the size down could be better because I can see that it is too big under arms, as you can see. It is just size down could be really perfect. I really regret that I haven't ordered 2 sizes, just the French 38 and French 36. For sure, I would like to keep the 36. It is very nice, elegant, straight shape. I love it. I don't know why, but everything with the belt looks impressive. Also, I would like to say that this size will be great with any thicker jumper or something you will wear under. I've got very thin high neck top under this blazer, but for sure if you would like to wear it over the autumn or spring, you have to wear something different under. So if you will wear a different roll neck, maybe thicker, a jumper, probably it's gonna be okay. I like the length, really the length, it is okay. I'm afraid that the size 38, if I would change for 36, will be shorter. So we have to remember the length. The length, it is like, hard to say, but I'm afraid it's gonna be that shorter, then my legs are wider, you see? So that's really good. That's really makes your legs nice and skinny, and I like it. So I have to think about this. I will put back this blazer to the box and I will think if I would like to have size bigger or I would like to keep it like this. I don't know, let me know in the comments, because this blazer, it is something very cool, very unique, and I think that it is worth it to have high quality leather, things like that, because they will last for many, many, many years. Waiting for your comments if I would like to keep this blazer or not, if I will send it back, because the Vince blazer, I sent it back and it wasn't the best, because it was like too short, sleeves too short, and the shape, it wasn't like for me, so I wasn't happy with it. This one, it is good. I like the length, I like the buttons and everything, but it is a little bit too big under my arms, and I don't think so that this looks okay. So I would like to exchange it for smaller size, I think, but like I said, I'm afraid it's gonna be too short after this, so I will think about this. This is it in my video today. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe, and I will be waiting for your comments. I think blazers like this, that are like must have, and I always love to have something that you can wear in so many ways, because this blazer you can wear like a coat, you can wear it like a blazer, you can create the whole leather look with the leather trousers and leather boots. This is not like just one outfit blazer, it is really multi-way wear blazer. So once again, thank you so much and see you soon in the next video. Bye.